As pipelines tighten and more products approach the patent cliff, mature brands are no longer just maintenance assets, they're growth drivers. But extending value late in the life cycle isn't about doing more, it's about making smarter, sharper choices. How are leading biopharma companies getting it right? Based on insights from 38 leaders across 25 companies, 4 strategies consistently stand out. 75% say early strategy is the single biggest success factor. The best teams start years in advance, aligning priorities, investments, and timelines well before loss of exclusivity. High-impact strategies, like new dosing regimens, strategic pricing, and fixed dose combinations vary widely in cost, time, and regulatory risk. Leading teams select tactics based on therapeutic area, feasibility, and expected ROI. Nearly half of companies now have specialized mature brand teams, and the results show. They move faster, manage complexity better, and unlock more value from pricing, formulation, and generics. Some of the highest return strategies, like pediatric exclusivity or litigation, deliver outsized ROI. Winning companies balance ambition with practicality, using contracts, pricing, and alternative promotion to slow erosion and protect cash flow. Want to see how top companies successfully extend the life of mature brands? Download our Lifecycle Management Benchmarking Report for detailed data, real-world examples, and proven best practices. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more biopharma strategy insights.